Hi friends, this video shows how to set custom date and time. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to date and time, select automatic date and time. Here you can see two options. By default the settings would be use network provided time. So first we have to turn off network provided time. After that you can customize date and time here. First let me change date. Done. Let me change time. Done. So this way we can set custom date and time, and later you want to go back to network provided time, you can select automatic date and time, then enable this. That way we can revert these changes. Updated date and time, see, it's reverted. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.